This is the fire alarm control panel from New York City. Today we will do Turnstile activate. Before that, let me just show you how the turnstiles look now. You see them? Closed. Just some of them are open because they're being pressed firmly by a piece of paper. See? These are closed. This one is open due to the piece of paper being attached to the button. This is where you control the turnstiles. See the piece of paper, the attachment has to bypass the tenon. This is the demonstration. You push the activate turnstile. That's the printer recorder. They also added a treble. So it was 37 before, now it's 38. So it just adds one treble per button you press. See? Turnstile activate. Acknowledge it. You see? Everything is open. See? All these are in red because the turnstile activate button is being pressed or was pressed. See, you acknowledge it to mute the sound. Now we're gonna put it back to normal. You just gotta acknowledge it so you can see. And I'll put it back to normal or neutral. See? It was in 37, it was in 38, now it's 37. One message. Fire alarm control panel. See? Back to normal. No lights.